Hello everyone. Today I demonstrate you three different kinds of mechanical aspirators that we have for the laboratory use. For the field use we have different models. Rechargeable 9 volt based, replaceable diesel battery based, power bank based. The first two models are wireless and the power bank based model has the wired connection. So it powered through power bank through a wire as shown here. Each aspirator comes with different kinds of straws for collections. The power bank based model has speed control. It is powered by the power bank. So obviously if you need a higher duration for the collections, maybe for 2 days collections or 3 days collection for continuously, you could be using bigger battery. Else any 5000 milliamps or 10,000 milliamps battery is okay. We do have speed control available for only the power bank based the mechanical aspirator. The provision is given backside, so you need to take a pen or any pencil or any sharp object as it's shown in here, and you need to turn right or left. So you do have silicone based the roller backside that actually turning clock and anti-clockwise may increase or decrease the speed the power that goes into the aspirator. So this way, for the agriculture based insects, sometimes we may need damage free insects. I mean to say is that the smaller amount of power may pull the insects for that reason. So we do have a provision here for the speed or power control. Here I am demonstrating you by taking few dead mosquito samples. The idea is that the weight of the mosquitoes is the idea is here, and we want to demonstrate that it can the aspirators can pull them. So since this is actually for the laboratory based mechanical aspirators, you have to do collections one by one, so you don't have a provision to collect multiple insects, more than 2 or 3 insects together. Different types of aspirator straws are available for different provisions, like if you want to do the collections inside the cage, which is a deeper or maybe 2 feet by 2 feet cage, maybe this kind of lengthy straight straws may be used. If you are looking for the corner collections under the axles or under the leaf collections or any other corners, difficult to reach areas, you may want to use the bend aspirator straw. This is very easy to the bend structure will help easy to reach the corners without doing maneuvering or excessively bending the aspirator or wrist while doing the collections. So this is done with the battery, the power bank based aspirator. Now I'm going to demonstrate you 9 volt rechargeable battery based aspirator. This aspirator is powered by the 9 volt rechargeable battery that is placed the backside. So once you take out the cover, to remove the battery, you need to tap against your palm. You can't take the battery by any other simpler way. So it is actually to keep the battery tight and snug. The design has been made with a little space there. So once you take the back cover out, so you need to gently tap against your another palm, so that the 9 volt battery, the structure can come out, and then you can take out the clips to remove the battery for recharge, or by replacing with a fresh battery. See these so we do have 3 different collection straws. The one what I showed you now, it's a wider one. So if you are looking for collections of slightly bigger insects, you can remove the cork, and then you can do the direct collections with 30 mm straw. So here I'm demonstrating in tapping against the palm to remove the battery. The major disadvantages of this one is that it doesn't last more than an hour of collection, so you may need multiple batteries in your hand to do the collections. D-cell battery based, this is not rechargeable based. However, you will be using regular batteries. Once they are out of power, you need to buy them again, and then freshly you need to buy every time when batteries are exhausted. So the major advantage of either power bank or earlier 9-volt based battery compared to this one is that the power bank based, you can do the recharge of the power bank, and then another major advantage is that that can last for weeks at least. To do without any recharge, it can go maybe even if you do 1 day 1 hour collections or 2 hour collections. The power bank battery can power the 5000 milliamps battery can power the aspirator for 7 to 10 days, maybe more than that. However, when it comes to the 9-volt battery, it may last for an hour, and then you may have to use the spare one actually to power the 9-volt battery. So that's all, friends. This is the difference between the 3 different kinds of mechanical aspirator. These are majorly used for the laboratory in-house handling of insects. For the field handling of insects, for the mosquitoes and other insects, we do have different models. Thank you.